Hello guys, welcome to Joyoshare VidiKit channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to record Zoom meeting with Joyoshare VidiKit. Before start the Zoom recording process, you should install the right version of this tool and activate it. Then press record section and choose screen recorder. Now, enable your microphone to capture your sound and select record video and audio mode. Press options icon to access more settings. This tool provides multiple formats, and you can choose them according to your need. Click the gear icon to customize codec resolution, quality, sample rate and more. In this panel you can add watermark to protect your copyright. Schedule recording task to save your time, and highlight cursor to enhance your video. Hit triangle button to select standard recording area, or click rectangle button to customize recording area by dragging and dropping blue frame. Click the blue rec button to start the recording process when you are ready. There are 3 buttons for you to stop, skip and cut unwanted content. Edit and rename your recording after you finish your recording. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe with the bell icon and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.